How to amend tax returns on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and in the search bar, search for freetaxusa.com. Once you are on this website, you want to click on the option of Start 2023 Return. Once you click on this option, if you are a new user, you want to first create an account. For that, click on the option of Create New Account. If you are a returning user, simply enter your username. Then enter your password and click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the tax return that you want to amend. This could be for the current tax year or a previous year. Now you want to click on the option of amend a return or file an amendment. Then choose the year you want to amend from the available options. FreeTaxUSA is going to guide you through the process of making changes to your tax return. You can update any information that needs to be amended, such as income, deductions, or credits. Once you have made all the changes, review your amended tax return carefully to ensure accuracy. You want to double check so that all the changes have been correctly entered. After reviewing your changes, follow the on-screen prompts to submit your amended tax return. You may need to confirm that you want to file an amendment for the selected tax year. If the amendment results in additional taxes owed or a larger fund, FreeTaxUSA will provide options for making payment. After submitting your amended tax return, you should receive confirmation of your submission. Make sure to keep a copy of your amended tax return and any supporting documentations for your record. If you face any difficulty, you can always contact the customer support of FreeTaxUSA. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.